If you've been trying to turn on dark mode in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how CapCut dark mode works, what version of CapCut you're using, and where you can actually change the theme if the option is available. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast CapCut tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the most important thing to know is that CapCut Desktop already uses dark mode by default. So if you downloaded the CapCut app on Windows or Mac, you usually will not find the dark mode toggle anywhere in the settings. The desktop version is built with a dark gray and black interface on purpose, and that helps reduce eye strain while editing videos for long periods of time. So if your question is, how do I enable dark mode in CapCut Desktop? The answer is simple. It is already enabled. There is no separate switch you need to turn on. Once you open the app, your timeline, editing panels, and workspace should all appear in a dark theme automatically. Now, if your screen still looks bright, there are a few things to check. First, make sure you're actually using the CapCut desktop application and not the browser version. A lot of people accidentally open CapCut in a web browser and expect it to behave the same way as the installed app. The desktop app is locked to dark mode, while the web version can sometimes follow your browser or theme settings. If you're using the downloaded desktop app and something still looks bright, the issue is probably not the CapCut interface itself. It may be the video footage you imported, a white project canvas, or bright media inside your timeline. So before you keep searching for a dark mode button, look closely at what part of the screen is actually bright. Now let's talk about the CapCut web version, because this is the one place where you may be able to switch themes manually. If you're using CapCut in your browser, look for the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click that settings icon, then hover over the theme option and choose dark. That should switch the browser-based version into dark mode if the option is available on your account and browser setup. So to recap clearly, there are two different experiences. If you are using CapCut Desktop, dark mode is already on and there is no on or off setting. If you are using CapCut Web, you may be able to manually select dark from the theme options inside the settings menu. If you want the easiest way to remember it, think of it like this. Installed CapCut equals dark by default. Web CapCut equals theme may be adjustable. That one difference clears up most of the confusion people have when they search for a dark mode setting that just is not there. If you were looking for a button inside the desktop app, don't worry, you didn't miss it. CapCut simply does not offer a separate dark mode toggle in the desktop software because that interface is already designed to stay dark. So that's how to enable dark mode in CapCut depending on which version you're using. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more CapCut editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.